Welcome, my dear students, in your 12th English class. Students, with the help of this video, I want to discuss the next part of history of novel with you, and that is Indian scenario. Dear students, here the word scenario, it means an outline of the plot of a literary work. की या व्हिडिओच्या माध्यमातून आपण भारतीय साहित्यिकांची रूपरेखा अभ्यासणार आहोत. We will discuss about different Indian novelists and their well-known books particularly. So get ready for the discussion of Indian scenario in detail. Dear students, Raj Mohan's wife, written by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, serialized in The Indian Field, was the first novel in English written by an Indian. So here you can see the images of the writer Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay and the cover page of first Indian English novel, and the title of the novel is Raj Mohan's Wife. की राजमोहन्स वाईफ ही बंकिमचंद्र चट्टोपाध्याय यांनी लिहिलेली भारतीय इंग्रजी भाषेतील प्रथम कादंबरी आहे. येथे स्क्रीनवरती तुम्हाला ते लेखक व त्यांच्या पुस्तकाचे मुखपृष्ठ यांच्या इमेजेस दिसतात. सो जस्ट कीप इन माइंड राजमोहन्स वाईफ, फर्स्ट novel in English written by Indian writer Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Dear students, the period after that is marked by few more novels written by the Indian writers. These novels bore either nationalistic virtues or social issues as their main framework. की भारतीय इंग्रजी साहित्यामध्ये कादंबरी लिखाणाला प्रारंभ होऊन त्या कादंबरींच्या माध्यमातून राष्ट्रीय मूल्ये आणि सामाजिक समस्या या विषयांचा समावेश केला जाऊ लागला होता. देन मुल्कराज आनंद, आर के नारायण and Raja Rao were the major trio who prevailed in the period after that. की भारतीय इंग्रजी साहित्यामध्ये मुल्कराज आनंद, आर के नारायण आणि राजा राव ह्या त्रिकुटाचे खूपच महत्त्वपूर्ण योगदान आहे. So dear students, here you can see the images of famous Indian trio on your screen. The first image indicate Mulkraj Anand. Second one is of R. K. Narayan. All of you are already familiar with him. And third one is of Sir K. Raja Rao. So just keep in mind, Indian trio. They contributed a lot in the development of Indian English novels. Now dear students, here you can see the images of some famous books written by Mulkraj Anand. The title of these books are like this. First one is Coolie. Second, Untouchable. And the third one is Across the Black Waters. So just keep in mind, Mulkraj Anand is very important Indian novelist. Now let's focus on cover pages of some important books or novels created by R. K. Narayan. So here you can see the beautiful cover pages of R. K. Narayan's some famous novels such as Swami and Friends. Second, The Bachelor of Arts. Third, The Guide. Students, this book is really important because for this book Narayan received the Sahitya Academy Award, and a well-known film of Dev Anand, that is Guide, was also based on the same novel. Then his next novels are The English Teacher, The Man-Eater of Malgudi, and the last one is The Painter and Science. So students again keep in mind, R.K. Narayan is very important novelist of Indian scenario. Now dear students, here you can see the cover pages of some novels written by Raja Rao, such as The Serpent and the Rope, then Kantapura, On the Ganga's Ghat, then The Cat and Shakespeare, The Great Indian Way, and The Meaning of India. So again keep in mind, Raja Rao is a famous novelist from Indian major trio. So he also contributed a lot in the development of Indian scenario. My dear students, other Indian novelists like Anita Desai, Nayantara Sehgal, and Arun Joshi, and also Manohar Malgavkar, they change the current of Indian English novel with the help of their works. की अनिता देसाई, नयनतारा सहगल, अरुण जोशी आणि मनोहर माळगावकर अशा विविध भारतीय इंग्रजी कादंबरीकारांनी त्यांच्या लिखाणाच्या माध्यमातून भारतीय इंग्रजी कादंबरीचा प्रवाह बदलून मोठे योगदान दिले आहे. So dear students, here you can see the images of these famous writers such as Anita Desai, Nayantara Sehgal, then next one is Arun Joshi, and you can also see the image of Manohar Malgavkar on your screen. Now dear students, let's focus on their works through next slides. Dear students, here you can enjoy the beautiful cover pages of Anita Desai's famous novels such as Where Shall We Go This Summer, Fire on the Mountain, Fasting Feasting, The Village by the Sea, and Cry the Peacock. So keep in mind, Anita Desai, one of the important major Indian English novelist. Now students, here you can see the cover pages of different books written by Nayantara Sehgal. These famous novels are like this. The first one is Rich Like Us. Actually, for this book, Nayantara Sehgal had received Sahitya Academy Award. Then the next one is called Plans for Departure, and another one is Mistaken Identity. So just keep in mind Nayantara Sehgal and her famous novels. Now dear students, here you can see Arun Joshi's famous novel. This person is famous for his books such as The Last Labyrinth, The Strange Case of Billy Bishwas, The Foreigner, The City and the River, etc. So Mr. Arun Joshi also received Sahitya Academy Award for his writing. Students, A Bend in the Gangas, then The Devil's Wind, The Princess, then Distant Drum, and bestseller Bandicoot Run. All these are the famous novels of Indian English novelist Manohar Malgaonkar. So now we will focus on the remaining Indian English novelist with the help of next slides. Dear students, another Indian novelist like Amitav Ghosh, Vikram Seth and Upamanyu Chatterjee, they ameliorated means improved or enhanced the Indian novel in English by adding new features to it. की अमिताव घोष, विक्रम सेठ आणि उपमन्यू चॅटर्जी यांनी नवीन वैशिष्ट्यांचा वापर करून भारतीय इंग्रजी कादंबरींमध्ये बदल घडवून आणला. So here you can see the colorful images of these Indian novelists. First one is Amitav Ghosh, middle one is Vikram Seth, and the remaining is Upamanyu Chatterjee on your screen. Dear students, Mr. Amitav Ghosh, he had received Jnanpith Award, then Sahitya Academy Award and Padma Shri Award also. So here you can see the cover pages of his books such as The Glass Palace, Sea of Poppies, River of Smoke, The Hungry Tide and Flood of Fire. So just keep in mind, Amitav Ghosh contributed a lot in Indian English literature. Then Indian writer Vikram Seth also received different awards for his writings. His notable works included A Suitable Boy, second one is The Golden Gate, and another one is An Equal Music. Now dear students, here you can see the cover pages of Upamanyu Chatterjee's books like The Memories of the Welfare State, Weight Loss, English August, and Indian Story by Upamanyu Chatterjee. Then he also had written Fairy Tales at 50. So this person also received Sahitya Academy Award for his writing. So just keep in mind, all these writers, they contributed in the development of Indian English literature a lot. And all these are the world famous Indian English writers. Dear students, in recent years, these years have witnessed the dazzling performance by Indian novelists like Salman Rushdie, Arvind Adiga, Arundhati Roy, Kiran Desai and Kiran Nagarkar also. की भारतीय इंग्रजी साहित्यामध्ये सलमान रश्दी, अरविंद अडिगा, अरुंधती रॉय, किरण देसाई व किरण नगरकर यांचेही मोलाचे योगदान आहे. So here you can see the images of these famous modern Indian English writers on your screen. So just enjoy these beautiful images of these writers. And now let's focus on their famous works. Students, the writer Arvind Adiga is famous for his book The White Tiger. And here you can see the cover page of this book. Then our next writer, that is Arundhati Roy, she is also famous for her book The God of Small Things. Actually, both of these writers, they received Booker Prize for these books respectively. की अरविंद अडिगा आणि अरुंधती रॉय यांना त्यांच्या कादंबरींसाठी बुकर प्राइज देखील मिळालेले आहे. Then Kiran Desai is also a famous and influential Indian writer, and she is famous for her book The Inheritance of Loss. Then Mr. Kiran Nagarkar is Sahitya Academy Award winning writer, and Mr. Kiran Nagarkar is famous for his book Jasoda. So here you can see the beautiful cover pages of both of these novels. The Inheritance of Loss, written by Kiran Desai, and the novel Jasoda, written by Kiran Nagarkar. So in this way, my dear students, we discussed about the famous, then award-winning and popular Indian English novelist. Then we also focused on different well-known award-winning books created by all these Indian writers. So just keep in mind, all these writers contributed a lot in the development of Indian English literature, and because of their works, they became important part of Indian scenario particularly. So thank you, my dear students. Keep reading, keep watching, and keep your learning.